welcome to Spirit Shack. This is the Necrophone app made by us. So this is designed for ghost hunters for speaking with spirits. So it's a very, very high quality app. We've spent a lot of time developing this. And as you can see, you have the satanic symbol in the back just to make it a little creepy. And we have the smoke that's actually a video that's playing along the back. So we can turn it on and off. Obviously you can turn the volume up and down with your volume buttons on your device. We can turn on and off reverb, we can turn on and off echo, we can turn on and off white noise. So basically this uses your phone's compass, because the compass is basically an EMF detector. So this app detects EMF, and it's taking thousands of EMF readings a second, and each of those are linked to different audio files. So it has a big bank of audio files. So spirits can potentially manipulate the EMF around your device. The compass picks up those readings and it's constantly using those readings and picking different sound files. So the spirits can manipulate this and control what it says. So other things can also alter the EMF, such as the magnetism from the earth, and also 3G signals, 4G signals, microwave, satellite. But also spirits can detect it, so can manipulate it. So it's not always going to be spirits you're talking to. Sometimes it just might be man-made EMF. But if you start getting relevant responses to your questions, that's what you're looking for. Just give you a brief demonstration. So white noise comes on by default, but you can turn it off. So you just get the voices. Okay. Reverb. And you can turn on all of them. So that is our Necrophone app. So if you're interested in this, I'll leave a link in the video description. And thanks for watching.